The 2020-2022 Nissan Versa key fob uses a standard CR2032 3-volt coin battery. When your key fob stops working reliably, replacing this battery is the first step. To begin, gather a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches. Locate the seam on the key fob, usually near the keyring attachment. Carefully insert the tool into the seam and gently pry the fob open. The top and bottom halves should separate. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery, which may be held in place by a small clip or adhesive. Use tweezers if available to carefully remove the old battery, noting which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. With the old battery removed, take a new CR2032 battery and ensure the positive plus side is facing up, matching the orientation of the old battery. Press the new battery firmly into place within the fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob and snap them back together, ensuring the seam is flush all around. Once reassembled, test the key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your Nissan Versa from a short distance of 10 to 20 feet. If the fob doesn't work, consult your vehicle's owner's manual for instructions on how to reprogram the key fob. Replacing the battery yourself can save you $50 to $100 compared to dealership service.